back to my channel. I am Surbhi and thank you so much for watching from all my videos. Please take a moment, subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Now, today I am going to tell you 3 quick hairstyles for festive season which are like super quick, and I'm sure you guys have already seen it, but I just wanted to do it for my sake so that if somebody reach out to me and they want to try this, they can. So these are super easy and fancy hairstyles, okay, for festive, and even you can try them like on your usual day. But especially for festive, when you have like all this getup ready, it looks amazing. So stay tuned and keep watching. Till starting for the video, I'm going to tell you a few things that you need: a comb, few clips. If you have bob clips like this one, then it's really good, but I just forgot where I kept my packet, so I'm using the Tic Tac clips, and few elastic bands. Okay, if you have black color bands, then it's amazing because it will mix it up with your hair, so it won't show up. But anyways, I have this and I'm going to make it work for myself. So yeah, let's get into the video.
So first I'm just going to comb my hairs properly and do a side partition, which is important for the next hairstyle. You can do actually everything custom way, but I am going to do it that way because you will see that the hairstyle needs that. Now I am combing it this way. I'm going to take a little bit section like one strand, and I'm just going to twist it, and from like outer side I'm going to twist it. Then I'm going to take second section and I'm going to repeat it again. Now I'm doing this in sections and strands because then it's going to give you like a different braided look. It will show 3 different strands which are amazing and all together will pull off really nice. So yes, can you see instantly it is looking like it's so simple and sleek for the festive season or even on a casual day, but looks amazing. Sorry for the little mess because I'm doing it without mirror. If you have a mirror, you're gonna see how sleeky it will look. And now I'm going to bring 3 strands together and just secure it with a bob clip or tic tac pin, any pin that you want. You can even use your stylish different, studded something like that clips, and it will give entirely completely different look. And that's it for this hairstyle. Hairstyle number 1 is ready. Now you can again use a straightener or a curler which is going to give enhanced look, but I'm not going to use any of that, so yeah, I'll keep it that way. The next hairstyle, I am going to take section from another side from my left, and this time I'm going to take a bigger section and I'm going to twist it inwards and just take out few fleeks so that it gives you like that desi drama looks, and now secure it with a clip. Now you can completely keep this hairstyle like till this point. Don't need to do the bun. It's alright if you keep it that way and do some curls or straighten up or just leave it that way. It will look nice. See. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of my hair into a messy bun, which is going to give me that boho look and which is completely suitable and goes with the attire. Okay, when I am wearing like full desi attire, this boho look will give such a elegant texture to all my look. And just take a big rubber band and pull off your hair into a messy bun. You will see, girl, how beautiful it looks. And just secure it like rest of the hairs from your tip with a clip, and just make it that way and pull off some hairs. If you want to lose your strands, then you can do that too, and see how beautiful it looks. Now for this third hairstyle, this is the last one and my absolutely favorite hairstyle. I'm going to do a middle partition roughly like with my comb, just quickly, and comb all your hair properly. Now in this hairstyle, you need to take care of all the hair to be like sleek straight, at least from the top. Okay, and again a little section precisely, comb it very well. See the way I am doing it, and for me it will be a little difficult because I'm doing it without a mirror, but for you, you will understand what you need to do. Now take elastic band with this mini section. I'm going to secure it with this elastic band properly tightly, And now just make a gap from the front side and take all of that pony and pass it through the front side the way I am doing. This is super easy. It will give you the look of braids and like the touch braids that you do, and so easy and no damage will be caused. Trust me, if you do it like proper way and comb it every now and then so that it won't look very messy, and repeat the same thing from the next side. Take a little section, secure it with an elastic band very tightly properly, and then make some gap from the front section and pass it from the front section. Now you can absolutely do it custom way. You can make 3 to 4 braids also, but I'm going to stick with two sides, okay, two each sides. See again, like I'm taking another section and with the one जो मैंने पहले already बना लिया था उसके साथ में मैं दूसरा section लूँगी, and I'm going to take it everything like into elastic band properly tightly, and then again making a section like a gap from the front and pull everything from the front, pass it that way. So this will absolutely give you a nice boho look, but again like without any braids, but yet leaving you with that beautiful braided looks. And if you have an open hair, long hair, this is going to suit you really very well. So just comb it properly. If you want, you can again do curls or straighten up or anything like that. I'm just leaving it that way. Let me know how you feel about it. Please subscribe to my channel because I really need your support, and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye.